Hello everyone, welcome to my class. I am here with my new topic, that is change the sentence into negative. Okay, so I have taken some sentences and all these sentences are affirmative, means no, no, not. Okay, so now we have to change the given sentences into negative form. Okay, so my first sentence is I am playing football. Okay, so the negative sentence, see, to change this sentence into negative you must need helping verb. Okay, what you need helping verb. Okay, if you don't have helping verb in your sentence, so you have to find that. We will discuss it later, but now see this sentence, I am playing football. So what is verb in this? So am playing. Remember, I am asking verbs. So what is verb in this? So am playing. What is main verb here? So playing. And which one is the helping verb? Am. So we are having helping verb in our sentence, right? So now we can change this sentence very easily into negative form. So I am playing football. So sentence negative form of this sentence will be I am. Just add not. Okay, I am not playing football. Clear? Now, next one is she reads so many books. Okay, so to change this sentence into negative form, what we need helping verb. Okay, now go to your sentence and see where is your helping verb is in your sentence. So as we can see, reads is given here and reads is main verb. It is an action, so it is main verb, right? So reads, and to change this sentence we need helping verb and we are not having helping verb, and so we have to find helping verb in our main verb. So our main verb is read, and see properly, as you can see, S is written here. So this is not read, this is reads, and in reads there is helping verb hidden, that is read plus does. Clear? Read plus does equals to reads. So in this word reads we are having both main verb and helping verb. Okay, so she, now we can change this sentence very easily into negative. See, okay, and after that does, then not, read. Don't write reads as if you have taken does from this. Read so many books. Clear? Okay, now my mother cooks tasty food. This is similar to the previous one. Here reads was given and in this sentence we are having cooks, and as you can see helping verb is not given here. So in helping verb is hidden in our main verb, just go and find it. And what is hidden here, as if verb with s or es, means there is helping verb called does. Okay, so my mother does not. Why does, as if s is here, so does not cook, not cooks. Okay, cook tasty food. Clear? Now next one is they are eating mango. So we are having both main verb and helping verb, as if eating is our main verb and are is our helping verb. So we can change this, they are not eating mango. Okay, next, she has a red pen. So has is our helping verb, so she, write has, add not and copy the rest part, or a red pen. Clear? Now Sita has a younger sister. So make it negative. Sita has not a younger sister. Okay. Next one is, it was a good day for me. So it was a good day for me. So it was not a good day for me. Clear? Now next one is, she can play piano. She can. So she can not play piano. Okay. Now I broke my flower vase. So now I broke my flower vase. As you can see, only main verb is given here, no helping verb is in our sentence. So now what we have to do, we have to find out helping verb in our sentence. This is broke. Just understand this one properly. This is broke and this is second form of verb. Clear? Break, broke and then broken. So in broke, as if you can, when I will discuss tense, then I will explain this topic in detail. See, in broke, in second form of verb, always did will be hidden. Did plus break is equals to broke. Clear? So what is helping verb in this? Did. So I did not break. Okay, don't write broke. I did not break my flower vase. Clear? Now, farmers grow crops for us. Okay, so this is what base form of verb, and whenever your subject is plural, as you can see, farmers is given here. So there is two way for understanding what is helping verb in this. Whenever your verb is in base form, as you can see, this is grow, and in base form always do is hidden. Do plus grow is equals to grow. Okay, so in base form of verb, okay, do is hidden always. So, and one more thing, if your subject is plural, there must be plural helping verb, and do is plural in nature. Okay, so farmers grow crops for us. So farmers do not grow crops for us. Okay, I hope this topic is clear to you. Now come to the next one. My mother cooks tasty food. So my mother, as you can see, S is here, and I have already discussed, if there is S with your verb, there must be does as helping verb. So my mother does not cook tasty food. Clear? Okay. Now the last but not the least, Rohan wrote a letter to his teacher. So our verb is wrote, and we don't have, as you can see, we don't have any helping verb in this sentence. So helping verb is present in our main verb. So the wrote is second form of verb. Write, wrote and then written. And I already discussed, in second form of verb there is did always hidden. Did plus write is equals to wrote. Clear? So Rohan did not write a letter to his teacher. Clear? I hope this topic is all clear to you. You have understood how to change affirmative sentence into negative. Okay, now let's start changing the given sentences into interrogative. In next video, I will come with my new topic. Till then, stay connected with us. Thank you so much.